It's Thursday, February 26th. In the headlines, National Road Safety Council raises concern over spike in child road deaths. Primary school students to learn financial literacy from the Bank of Jamaica's Common Sense program. In business news, Bank of Jamaica says Jamaica to recover from Hurricane Melissa in 2 years. Regionally, Antigua and Barbuda's Prime Minister Gaston Brown encouraged by the message delivered by U.S. Secretary of State. And in sports, Jamaica beat Turks and Caicos 7-0 in CONCACAF Under-20 qualifiers. This is the news on PBC Jamaica. I'm Simone Absalom Gale. For the full newscast, head over to our YouTube and Facebook pages.